Earlier this month, Huntsville Hospital announced they would be acquiring Crestwood Medical Center for $450 million, a move that's gained a bit of controversy. The HH system already runs throughout the Tennessee Valley. You can see a list of locations right there on your screen. But this move would acquire assets of Crestwood Medical Center and its outpatient centers. And this is leading to some concerns. Fox 54's Gabe Glassman explains why.
Healthcare quality, job security, and cost are just a few of the many concerns raised by locals after Huntsville Hospital announced it would be acquiring Crestwood Medical Center in a 9-figure deal. People are writing on social media about the deal, with some discussing the threat of monopolization. One comment we received reading, "I'm pretty strongly concerned about the near, if not total, monopoly HH has on medical care in the area."
I think there are more patients and more people in the community than there are workers, and so I think that's the thing that is that more people could kind of latch onto. And, you know, I mean, there have been reports about this and studies about this that when there are, I mean, particularly hospital monopolies in a region, prices go up.
We reached out to Huntsville Hospital about these concerns. They say in part statement, HH Health has grown because of its long-standing commitment to providing high-quality care while listening and responding to the needs of patients, staff, and physicians. That commitment remains unchanged. Bringing Crestwood Medical Center into HH Health allows us to strengthen capacity, expand access to care, and continue delivering the level of quality patients in our region expect and deserve. In Huntsville, Gabe Glassman, Fox 54 News.
Gabe, you put a post out on social media and people responded to that post, a lot of people in fact, but what else are people concerned about?
Yeah, well, let's talk about the biggest concern, then we go back to the monopolization concerns we just heard about, and some of those people wanting choices when it comes to healthcare, and that's really, I mean, I was kind of blown away by how many of those comments were about that. Now, we kind of go into it as well about the jobs and the pay and the job security. And that's what people are really talking about, because there's some people who have family, who have friends that work in that system, and that's what they're concerned about after hearing the news last week.
And Gabe, you asked Huntsville Hospital about the concerns and options, and did they have a response?
Yes, and I want to read you a part of the statement that we got sent from HH. It reads, quote, "Patients will continue to have access to care at Crestwood Medical Center, which will remain open and operating as a local hospital serving the community. Whether it's due to convenience or personal preference, patients will continue to have options when it comes to their care and to see the providers they know and trust." So that is a quote from Huntsville Hospital, and they answered a few more of our questions, and we're going to dive into that later tonight on Fox 54 News at 9.
All right, Gabe Glassman, thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right.